Is Copilot popping up on your Windows 10 PC and getting in your way? You're not alone. Ever since Microsoft started pushing AI features into Windows, many users are finding Copilot more distracting than helpful. Whether you're aiming for better performance, fewer interruptions, or just don't use it at all, turning it off should be simple, but Windows doesn't make it obvious. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you never miss quick tech fixes like this. Let's get right into how to disable Copilot in Windows 10. First, click the Start menu and type Group Policy. Then open Edit Group Policy from the results. In the Group Policy Editor, navigate to this path: User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Copilot. On the right-hand side, you'll see an option called Turn Off Windows Copilot. Double-click it, choose Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Now, you'll need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After that, Copilot will be gone from your taskbar and won't run in the background. If you're using Windows 10 Home, you won't have Group Policy Editor by default. In that case, open Notepad and paste this. Save it with a .reg extension, like disable_copilot.reg, then double-click it and confirm to apply the registry change. Restart your PC, and Copilot will be disabled. If this solved your issue, give it a like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and keeps these guides coming. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.